In this video, I'll guide you through how to import contacts into HubSpot. Whether you're moving from another system, updating an existing list, or just getting started with HubSpot's CRM, knowing how to bring your contacts in the right way will save you a lot of time and help keep your data clean and usable. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account. If you're part of a team, confirm that you're using the correct account and have the right permissions to manage contacts. Once you're in, look at the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Hover over or click on the option labeled CRM, and from the drop-down menu, choose Contacts. This will bring you to your main contacts dashboard, which is the central place where you'll see all the people and companies stored in your database. On this contact screen, take a second to look around. You'll see a list of any existing contacts along with filters and search options. This is where your imported contacts will eventually appear. Now, to start the import process, move your eyes to the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find a button labeled Import. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you click Import, HubSpot will open up the import tool, which will guide you through the next steps. At this point, you should already have your contacts prepared in a file, usually a CSV, Excel file, or another supported format. It's a good idea before you even get here to tidy up your spreadsheet, making sure each column has a clear heading such as first name, last name, email, phone number, and any other details that matter to your business. Clean data going in means fewer headaches later on. When the import window appears, you'll typically choose where you're importing from, such as a file from your computer. Select that option, then upload your contact file. After your file is uploaded, HubSpot will walk you through mapping each column in your file to a contact property in the system. For example, the column labeled email in your spreadsheet should map to the email property in HubSpot. Take your time here and make sure everything lines up correctly, because this determines where each piece of information ends up in your CRM. If you see any columns you don't need, you can choose not to import them, which helps keep your database focused and uncluttered. Once you're satisfied with the mappings, continue through the import prompts. HubSpot may ask whether these are new contacts or if you want to update existing ones. Be mindful here, if you're importing an updated list, you'll want to let HubSpot know so it can match based on email address and avoid creating duplicates. Finally, confirm the import. HubSpot will start processing your file, and depending on the size of your list, this may take a short moment. When it's done, refresh your contacts view, and you should see your newly imported contacts listed there. You can then filter, segment, or start engaging with them using HubSpot's tools. And that's the basic process. You go to CRM, open contacts, click the import button in the top right, and follow the guided steps to bring your contact data into HubSpot in a clean, organized way.